everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. And this is my student, Steven. So today we're going to do the breakdown for the salsa choreography, Ni Sirvo pa Queso. We posted this routine probably about a month ago. So today we get to learn from the beginning with the breakdown. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get to the breakdown. It's going to be a little bit long of a video, so we're going to try to go as quick as possible and as clear as possible as well. So we start with the first measure. The first and second measure are cucaracha into body roll, reverse body roll. So for that, I would like Steven to turn around so you can follow along if you're a guy, and you can follow me if you're a girl. So let's get started. I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, and we get right into it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Half of this, and then the body roll. If you have issues understanding these steps, go ahead and look at this video. There is a detailed explanation. All right, so let's turn around. Now, we're going to do it this way so you can see what's going on. We're just going to repeat it, stop, and then get into the second section of the routine. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. He comes with the body roll to get me. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, ending on left to right hand hold. And then we're going to go to the next measure, which is the open break. Yeah? Well, we're starting with the open break, but it's called the back spot turn. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes? And then let's get into the next measure. We do a pose here. We go 1, 2, 3. Yes? And then we go into the cross body lead with the inside turn. So we go 5, 6, 7. Again, if you're having issues understanding the crossbody lead and the crossbody lead with the inside turn, watch this video. Okay, so from there, what do we do, Steven?
We go open break.
Oh, there you go. Into a dip. Okay, let's stop a little bit on this one because we are not so familiar with it. Yeah, so open break into making sure that we end up butt to butt. So we go 1, 2, 3. Now that he knows that I have the support, then he's going to just extend his arms and contract in order to make the dip happening. Yes, make sure this is not happening because it's very dangerous, upper body. So we go, there you go. You see, it can pull your back, and even worse, it can pull you along with her, so you both go down. So that's a big no-no, okay? Let's get into that point. Let's do it from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, reverse. 5, 6, crossbody. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, back spot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Pose, crossbody, inside turn. 6, 7, and dip. 5, 6, 7. Make sure you put her down on 7, so her weight is going to switch, and then we can go to the next pattern. All right, so let's get to the second section. All right, you guys, so let's get to the second section. Remember, for the first section, we ended here when we do the dip. Let's do the dip again. So we go 5, 6, 7. So now, if you notice, we are hip to hip right now, so it's going to be a little bit tricky for him. The next move is going to be a crossbody lead, but it's going to be a little bit tricky for him if he doesn't do an extra effort to get out of my line. Yeah, because right now he's on the other side. So remember, you need to get out of the way by coming all the way to my left. Ready? So we go 1, 2, 3. So you see, he made a really big step going back, and then we go 5, 6, 7. Okay, so from here we go to the next measure. We go open break. You're going to place your hands hip to hip, yeah? So you can bring her to be almost passing you, and then from there we do the hammer lock 6, 7. Okay? Now let's move a little bit back. There you go. From here, we're doing an open break to switch places. We go 1, 2, 3, and this is actually a good point that Steven mentioned. You cannot, if you want to make it easier for you, make sure you're not completely facing me. You're not completing the turn. So you're facing that direction, okay? Yes, Steven, you want to say something else?
Yes, you just want to make sure that you're almost in a crossbody lead position, and on this next piece, you want to spot the lady as you go over, and then you turn.
All right, so that's it for that section. Let's try it from the top, yes? Only with the count. So we finish here after the dip, and we go right into the crossbody lead. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hammer lock. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And from there, we end up into handhold. All right, let's move on to the next section. All right, you guys, so let's get to the next section, and we're going to start with the basic only because we are nice people. Now, this gives you time to actually like breathe and think about what's going to be next. Okay, so we start with the basic. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We go into her turn, and then his turn 7. Please notice that she's turning on 5, starting the turn, and he's starting his turn on 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna have Steven turn this way so you can look at his footwork. Yeah, so we go slowly 1, 2, 3. He goes into the side step to do like a prep, like a spring, and then she goes 5, 6, 7. Okay, now one more thing that I want you to pay attention to, which he's doing it really good, Steven. Not pulling the lady as you are turning. So let's move a little bit to this side. And we're going to go right into the turn. We go 1, 2, 3. She goes 5. And then he turns. Most of the times what happens is that when he's turning, he's pulling the girl. So you're going to pull her out of her balance. So make sure you avoid that. Okay? All right. So let's switch spots because we're going to confuse them. There you go. So we're going into the basic. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then she turns. He turns 6, 7. From here we added another basic. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then we go into the next measure, which is behind the back. So we do the open break. 1, 2, on 3 we make sure he switch hands. And I'm going to do it in a different angle so you can see it. Yeah? And then we go on 1, 6, 7. Let's do it from this side so they get a better look of the switching of the hand. So we're here. We go 1, 2, 3. Make sure you switch the hand. No tossing, no nothing, because you can lose it, and then game over. And then 5, 6, 7. Okay? So now, since let's do it from the top so you guys don't get confused with the angles. We started here, basic. This is the beginning of section 3. Then she turns. He turns, basic. Then behind the back. Okay, so from here, we're going to add on to that section. We have a basic, yes? Mm-hmm. Just to grab the other hand. And then we do a crossbody lead. But make sure your hands are going to be looping her head on 1. So we go 1, 2, 3. On 3, you grab the hips, yes, to be able to turn her on 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay? And I think that's it for that section. Okay, let's do this one again just so they can see it again. So we're here. And actually, you know what? I changed my mind. Let's do the other angle so you can have a different view. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. And then 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys. So should we do the section 3 from the top?
Yes, we should.
Let's do it. All right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. She turns. He turns. Basic. Behind the back. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Basic. To grab the other hand. Crossbody loop. And that's it for this section. All right, yay, we made it to the end. This is the last section, I promise. So let's actually do it from the previous pattern that got us here, because I want to explain what's happening. So it was the crossbody lead, yes? We're here, and then we did crossbody lead loop, and then we go 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. He let go of me completely, yeah? So now we're going to do an easy, basic shine footwork. Yeah, so let's do it like this so you guys can see it. He's going to be facing me, Steven. There you go. I'm going to do my steps. Ladies, pay attention to my steps. Gentlemen, pay attention to his steps. Don't get confused, okay? All right, I'm just going to give it a count. I'm going to call it out, and then you watch whomever is the one you want to copy. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go basic, 2, 3. 5, 6, slide. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We go into a basic, 2, 3. 5, 6, box. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, right turn. He turns first. Then I go 6, 7. Okay? So now we did it this way separately so you can see it. Now, let's do it all the way throughout to the count. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, basic, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, box. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. He turns, I turn. 5, 6, 7. From there, if you see, he's already approaching me because we're going to go to the end, which is crossbody lead-ish dip, yeah? So we do the 1, 2 of the crossbody lead on 3. Instead of him leading me to go forward, he's going to lead me to go and face him. So one more time. 1, 2, he makes me face him, and then we do a little pose there, okay? All right, so let's do it from the top of that section. 5, 6, 7, 8, basic, slide, basic, 1, 2, 3, box, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. He turns, I turn. He gets me. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, congratulations, you made it to the end. So now we get to do it all the way from the top to the count. Don't worry, I'm going to call it out, and don't worry, there's no music, just count and me calling it out slowly. Okay, if you want to try to the music, you can watch this video and you can just dance along with it. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, cucaracha, half of cucaracha, body roll. Crossbody, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, back spot turn, 2, 3, 5, 6, pose, and crossbody inside turn, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, dip, 5, 6, 7, crossbody, 2, 3, 5, 6, hammer lock, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, basic, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, she turns, he turns, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, 1, 2, 3, behind the back, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, grab the hand, 2, 3, crossbody lead, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, let it go, basic, 3, 5, 6, 7, slide, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, 1, 2, 3, box, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, basic, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, he turns, she turns, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, get her, 1, 2, 3, and last dip, 7. All right, guys, hey, good job. Okay, so we went really quick over each pattern, but if you have any questions, you can always write it down in the comment box below, and I'm sure I will get back to you as soon as possible. But in the meantime, thank you, Steven.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys. I will see you next time. Please make sure, if you like this video, to give it the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so you will not miss anything. All right, and remember, sharing is caring. So if you think this video was useful for yourself, you can always share with your friends and family. All right, guys, see you next time.